If you get a woman, hold am tight, oh. Me and my guys, we dey for bike, oh. Now location dey for mine, oh. If you leave your woman, she go off pant, oh. No be lie, we go use it up, blind the eyes, oh. Me and my guys, we know they smile, oh. Big dog boys, we know they lie, oh. Big dog boys, we know they fear nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my updated fluffy natural brow routine. I'm going to be going super in depth and also giving you guys alternatives to most of the products that I'm going to be using so you can achieve the same results and even better with the products that you have. So some people like to do their brows first. Others like to do their brows after they're done with their makeup. I, for one, I love to do my brows fresh out of the shower before skincare, makeup, anything at all. So let's just jump right into this video. You're going to need clear lash glue of your choice, a brow spoolie, and mine is from Evita Joseph. You're also going to need a full coverage foundation that matches you currently. And this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade 14A Cocoa. You would also need a concealer that is about 2 to 3 shades lighter than you. And that's why I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. You're also going to be needing a brow pencil. And I'm using the Evita Joseph Expert Brow Liner Pencil in the shade Midnight Drop. And I'm going to be using this to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. We're going to be starting off with freshly groomed brows, and I already have a video tutorial here on my channel on how I groom my brows at home. I'm going to leave it linked in my description box down below so you can check it out if you're interested. So to start off, I'm going to be using my spoolie brush to brush my brow hairs into place before I go in with a dime-sized amount of the clear lash glue. I'm going to be brushing it through my brows to make sure that I'm coating each and every hair strand evenly.
I think I'm so head over heels. Baby, give me fever, you they give me chills.
Once I'm done with this and it's all dried up, I'm going to be using my finger to just tap to make sure that everything is lying in place. And it's just a way of sealing in your brows. Once you're done with this, your brows are not moving. So now it's time to fill them in using our brow pencil. We're not really going to be doing much filling in. We're just going to be filling in like the sparse areas of our brows using tiny upward strokes. You can definitely use a regular brow pencil for this. You just need the tip to be really sharp and pointy.
I give you loving alright. So give me loving alright. Girl, I want you by my side. I cannot let me down.
After filling them in, this is what we have now, and I'm satisfied with how they're looking. I'm just going to be cleaning up any mistakes and then highlighting the bottom parts of my brows using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. I'm also going to be using my concealer brush from Evita Joseph, but I wasn't specific about this brush because you can actually use any small flat brush you have. But in case you're wondering, the one that I'm using now is from Evita Joseph.
Never leave my baby. I will never change or leave your side.
Okay, so now I'm going to be cleaning up the top parts of my brows using my foundation from Milani. I'd recommend that you use a foundation that you usually use for your makeup routine, and I'm going to be using this particular foundation. As soon as I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to be using that foundation all over my face. You get to see how it matches me and how it looks overall. So guys, if you're not interested in the fluffy natural looking brow technique, I also have another brow routine. Video here on my channel, so I'm going to leave that one also linked in my description box down below. Taking my Deluxe crease brush, I'm going to be blending out the foundation first, and I'm doing this so the concealer has a little more time to sit before I then go in and then blend that out as well. I found that letting the concealer sit a bit gives it a little more coverage. So after blending them out, I'm pretty much done with my brows. From here, you can now continue with your makeup routine and then set it with some powder to make sure that everything is locked and set in place. But yeah, we're pretty much done.
If you get a woman, hold am tight, oh. Me and my guys, we dey for bike, oh. Now her location there for mine. If you leave your woman, she go off panto. No be lie. We go use it up, blind the eyes.
So this is how my brows look before, and this is how they are looking right now. So thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please remember to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell that pops up right next to it so you never ever miss out on any of my videos. I can't wait to see you in my next video next week, but until then, bye!
One wrong move, you turn to my enemy.